Hello YouTube and Blueweather on Facebook. As you know, I've started these daily weather events here yesterday, and just so you know, for the most part, I forecast for West Virginia and Virginia. Obviously, there's times that I cover other parts of the Mid-Atlantic. As yesterday, for example, we was talking about severe storms coming up out of North Carolina into Virginia, which was the main reason why I was talking about that. But for the most part, West Virginia and Virginia is my area. Maybe far east Kentucky as well. A lot of that weather filters into the cold fields of West Virginia. As far as today, Friday the 21st, 2019, let's talk about temperatures first. If you're west of the Blue Ridge, you're pretty much going to be in the 70s unless you're in the high terrain above 3,000 feet. For example, like Snowshoe, Cass, maybe even Quinwood. Quinwood's over 3,000 feet. That the extreme elevations, they'll probably not get out of the 60s. Snowshoe area may only reach 58 today. But like I said, the rest of everybody in the lowlands west of the Blue Ridge Mountains will be up in the 70s. If you're east of the I-81 corridor, you're pretty much going to be up in the 80s today. And your day will start with sunshine, where it's really cloudy everywhere else over to the western side. Precipitation today, rain chances mainly will be in the high terrain early this morning through about lunchtime. Some of the lowlands get a few sprinkles this morning, but for the most part, it'll be the high terrain in West Virginia that gets the rain chance this morning that should clear out by lunchtime. Cloud cover if you're trying to plan your day outside. If you're east of 81, should be sunny all day long, up in the 80s. Feel very summer-like. If you're west of 81, which obviously is also west of the Blue Ridge, you'll start your day partly to mostly cloudy, maybe a few sprinkles in the low terrains of West Virginia. But that's early in the day. As the day goes, there'll be a clearing out, and we'll go to blue skies, like I said, up in the 70s, unless you're in the high terrain. So all in all, Friday really isn't that bad. I know over towards Kentucky, there'll be some storms sliding in later today into the overnight hours. But as far as West Virginia and Virginia, we should be in pretty good shape. As far as just looking towards Saturday, although Friday looks good, Saturday morning rain comes back into the area, but that's mainly for southern West Virginia and far southwest Virginia, west of Roanoke. Roanoke I would be included in that, but see the storms that will be coming down through Kentucky, come down through Kentucky towards eastern Tennessee and western North Carolina. So that northern edge does come through southern West Virginia by morning on Saturday, and obviously far south West Virginia. But like I said, pretty much that's the rain chances for Saturday. Looks to be, if you're Roanoke and west, and then as far as like West Virginia, if you're Clarksburg and north, your chances are pretty low to see anything, especially as you get closer to Pennsylvania. Same way with northern Virginia, and then the whole eastern part of Virginia should be dry as well on Saturday. But that's about it for today. Like I said before, if you follow me on Facebook, hit the like button on this video on YouTube. Subscribe if you want to see this pop up on your YouTube every day, where you can check it out a little bit more in detail than what I actually go on Blueweather. And I appreciate your support. You have a good weekend.